So we're rewriting my Neovim config, and instead of doing it the normal way, which is like just writing it like a regular human being, instead we made it impossibly difficult. Chat's going to be able to spend Teej coins, not a currency, by the way. It's part of a triangle system. They're going to send things like deleting my files, random stuff, changing color schemes. It's just going to be crazy, okay? So they're going to do all that stuff, and then we're going to try and rewrite my config. No copy paste, nothing else, write by scratch, etc. There we go. That's what we're going to do. The end. No, the music is not from Dune. It's all Monster Cat stuff. All right. Polybridge Gamba. Yeah, true. That's a good point. I wonder if we should just do something where... What if we go to status line here? Presenter. And then we... yoink this. We can go require tj.status. That's not right. I don't know if that's going to delete there or not. Exactly 420 viewers. Very good. Nice. tj.status line. Boom. We'll say setup. And then what we can do is we can go Lua. I don't think I already have a folder for this. Probably not. Yeah, so then we can just go tj/status line.lua, I think. Save this. It'll say, hey, do you want to create these two things? I think. Okay. Yes, we want to do both of those. That's good. Then we press enter, enter. We should open that file up. I should be able to paste this inside of here. Hopefully. We can do local m.setup is a function here. We can end that and then return m. That should work just fine. We can save that. That should work. Beautiful. So I said probably was on 3-second delay. Yeah, it's a little tough. It's a little tough to think about, but it should be fine. Built in. Let's go 1, 2. And then I think there should be file relative, because that's really what we want. Relative. M.setup. And then that should hopefully run, I think. Did that go? It doesn't really seem like it. Source %. I thought that this would have changed file relative to do something goofy. So let's say we go up 19K. Delay keyboard. Oh, it's pretty tough, Chad. It's pretty tough. Table.insert oh, that's okay. We'll fix that in a sec. Segments. Hi. What? What? Oh, we lost some of it. Okay, that's fine. This is invalid color scheme. Table.insert segments hi. When we run this again, do we get our hi? We do. Okay, so why does file relative not give a shorter name? Full file. Shorten file. Maybe we want shorten file. Not that short though. I don't want full file either. I thought relative would be make responsive file. I think that one was one that we had before. Doesn't. Beastco? Beastco. No going back? How am I supposed to explore this file? Okay. Where's my cursor? Right here. We'll just try a few of these. Table dot insert segments. Built-in dot. I thought file relative. Isn't that the one that we tried? What? That does. Oh, because I completed something? Doesn't count. That's a bug. That's a bug. Table insert segments. Oh, that one was on me though. Shoot. It's okay. I'll just program it in hot dog. It doesn't even really bother me, to be honest. It's kind of like doesn't really even bother me. I was kind of thinking, oh. I better go fast before this breaks. Okay. Does this not? Oh, right. I got to go m.setup setup to do this as well. Okay. So nice. We've got this table insert built-in dot split. What did I call this again? Spacing. I don't remember what this one was called. Where's like percent equals? That's not in this one. Huh. Sections. Sections dot split. Nice. Then we want table insert segments percent %f, something like this maybe. Nice. There we go. That's better. 3 minutes is too much peaceful coding. It's not 15 minutes. I think it's only like 5. 0 interaction with chat. True. I gotta go fast. Have an opinion on rocks? I don't really have an opinion on it. No. What else did I used to have in here? Oh, we can do table insert segments. Subscribe dot buff auto command. The name of this again? Yeah, so I said L get branch buff enter function win buff local branch. What did I call this again? Extensions get branch win buff if branch then return branch and return. Am I missing? I'm missing another one of those. Okay, great. Okay, nice. We got this. I think actually we'll probably put this here though. Okay, we can go. nice little space in between those. Nice. He used to have a nice little git icon thingy for this, but we'll see. Okay, so that's going okay. I'm not necessarily in love with the file name thing again, but that's okay. What else do I like? I like having... Let's do L changes. Buff right post. Git changes. Whoops. Changes. Oh, this file isn't in Git, right? So that's fine. Yo, what's up, Tarek? Okay, we got a lot of them queued up. Yikes. Yikes. You guys know which color scheme? I'm using Groove, buddy. It's my normal one. Okay, so that seems okay. We'll have to double check a few of these other items, but that's fine. Thanks, Bisco, for making me need to, you know, sort of rewrite that whole file, but whatever. I know, we've only got 50 seconds apiece left. Ooh, file. I have the file icon one. I do miss having file icon. What did I have before for file name? Mixery never changes. You're welcome. Done out of love. Thanks, Bisco. All right, well, we'll sort out a few things there later for this again. What else do we need to do here? We should go... Oh, we don't even have Tree Sitter installed. We need to do some Tree Sitter investigation. I need to go back and check out some Tree Sitter shenanigans again. Let's go ahead and go to plugins. And let's go... treesitter.lua. Okay, yep. Enter this, return here. Envim tree sitter. Envim tree sitter. Ooh, austere. I like this one. I think we want to do require, let's just do require tj.treesitter.setup like this. And then let's go to that tj treesitter lua. All right, now there's 13 queued up. Invalid color scheme, any. That's not how choosing a color scheme works. Wait, how did this work? Shouldn't this have been timed out again? I thought this should last like 15 minutes or something like this. Has it been 15? Maybe it was 15 minutes in between the redeems. Okay. We can actually do that, yeah. That's actually a really great idea. Let's go to status line again. We'll put this here. Queued events. It's a great idea. Require misery.scheduler.tasks. Nice. Wade. Great idea. Second piece mode. Well, like, I know! So much code to write so fast! Wade. A Wade. Dashboard should probably show that as well, don't you guys think? Chat handler. Oh, I don't even have Elixir. I don't even have Elixir stuff installed for this. That's funny. Coins. We'll just yoink this same thing here. And coins, we'll do dashboard. We'll just do the same thing. That should probably reload, right? I think that's good. Probably now if you type dashboard, it will work. I don't know. I think it should live reload like that. Arbit, if you do dashboard, I think it'll work. Okay. I'm burning peace mode time. Dang. Dashboard. Nope, not like that. Did you upload the Elixir streams on YouTube? Every VOD always goes on the VODs for on my main channel, but you have to be a YouTube member to get access to those. But otherwise, we're queuing up some other ones. Have you grown chest hair yet? I have some. They're not private. They are available to members. Okay. So let's see. Well, I'm wasting peace mode time. All right, I was in tree sitter. Let's go local tree sitter is require Neovim tree sitter. Right, so we want to do tree sitter dot, I think it's setup. I guess we should look at what we used to have for config Neovim backup Lua TJ tree sitter. What did we used to have for this? Custom plugin tree center? After plugin tree center? Right, so I had my own Lua shenanigans, which was good. We'll need to go back and fix that shortly. How many gigabytes is an average VOD? I don't know. It's a lot. Chest hairs available to members? I don't think I've ever shown them on stream. There's not a lot of them for you guys to see. Akil, hey, thanks for the tier 1. I don't know how big it is. Like, it depends. I mean, it just depends if I stream for 2 hours or 8 hours, right? So what I want to do is I want to go and do some stuff here where we can go require, let's go require Neovim tree sitter dot configs setup. And we definitely want to have some of these. Ensure installed. I guess we can just do maintained, right? We can still do that. Ensure, we can go Neovim, oh, I don't have this. I need to get this actually installed, which that's kind of part of the problem here. No going back. Okay, that's fine. I can't do anything in this file because I haven't installed everything yet. So cool working on Neo. Hey, thanks, DMAC. So we can't do anything really with this one yet. So, because I need to install it so I can actually test this out. I guess we could read some docs quick for this again. Does anyone know what the status of the big rewrite is for this? Maybe I should just try and test out main. And maybe I should just use this. I may as well, right? I'm just going to try this one instead. Oh, this is a good idea here. Can we see the queue of redeems? There's not really any good way to do that right now. We want to go to plugins tree sitter. I can't go to the top of the file. I feel like I should be able to go to the top of the file once in every single one. Because how I can't do anything. I guess I can just write this down here and then we'll just delete it all later and hope that I don't scuff it up on accident while I'm doing this. Envim tree sitter, Envim tree sitter. Build is TS update. Branch is main. Lazy is false. Config. Whew, nice. Okay. This is Fluoro Machine. That is a kind of interesting theme. Okay, this program does not support lazy loading. That's fine. Stable, core, community, unsupported. All right, so we can do this, right? So let's go ahead and go. We go to here, and then we can go tree sitter, and tree sitter. Okay, so that's this now. That's nice. Setup, and we can do ensure install. It's weird that it's just ensure install. Let's go community. That's fine. Ignore install. List of person ignore installing. Install dir. That's fine. Check for list of available commands. To enable for file, put tree sitter start in plugin file or place the following in your config. Okay. Oh, interesting. All right, I guess that's surprising. I don't know if I like that very much, but that's fine. There's really no like auto highlight everything. Tree sitter dot start. Shire eye, you rascal. That is so bright, dude. Folds. Locals. Advanced. Adding parsers. Love the bright red background. He hits you hard. He hits you hard, boys. All right, so I guess that's all we want to do. You want to use mirror instead of this, right? Okay. Let's make it this way so you guys don't burn so hard. I think we still have 12 events. Okay, I need to add a way to have you guys stop doing this because I need to restart Neovim so that I can do... Okay, install, update. Failed to run config. TJ Tree Center not found. Updated from here. It's right here. It's right here. Why do I have to press enter on all these? What the heck? Wow, community is a lot of them. Maybe I should not have done community. Maybe I should have done core. That's surprising how many of these are here. Okay. UI input and Vim FN input. Why does this not work? Telescope, no parser for prompt, telescope prompt language. Okay, well then this is pretty stupid because that should just be like this. Oh, I was like, where'd my cursor go? Nice. Just gone. I like this one. This one's nice too. Lots of nice ones, chat. This one, it's okay. It's pretty much just gray and white. Just gray and white. It's not that good. Yeah. Oh. White. Okay, one sec. How you doing? I'm actually easy Kickstarter on Splatoon 5 when I'm in insert mode. I get automatically press enter, new lines created. You should look at Kickstarter and see what it tells you that accepting the completion is. Marshall, hey, thanks, Bamba. Appreciate it. Lovely font. It was a good font. We don't have Groovebox actually, believe it or not. Okay. How many events do we have left? All right, there's only 6 left. So what we need to do is I need to go like this. I need to go init.abort. Stop. So this should turn everything off and there should be no sweet. Okay, so that's good. So no one should be able to do anything right now. That's good. We'll let these run out and then we'll start it again. Yeah, I'm sort of checking what's going on here as well. Yeah. I'm a little surprised about this vim.treesitter.start stuff here, but it's okay. I'm gonna go up and down on code hints completion. In what? I don't know. It depends. How did you set it up? I can't answer that for you. I mean, that's how it was working before, but basically, like, it's going to be more obvious now, right? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You need to know oil language. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, we definitely need that to be P called. We also want to do dependencies. Dependencies. Now we're talking, chat. Now that's a color scheme. Dir is plugins, tree sitter. Why is this not? Shouldn't this work? Oh, whoops. Plugins. Control F. Tree sitter. Lua. What other ones do I have in plugins? Tree sitter. I think those are the only ones that I really need. Okay, someone scuffed one up again. I don't know what one is breaking here. Okay, nice. Are you depending on a plugin file? What do you mean? This is local plugins that I have. I want this to load this Tree Sitter Lua code here. Fog of War, boys. Oh, you know what we need to do is we need to go... Ugh, that's just not going to work right now, of course. Plugin key maps. I need to go vim.keymap set normal mode. Enter. Function. And expr is true. Oh! Oh, this is like hacker mode, chat. Holy cow. We got to remember this one. Base 16 green screen. Base 16 green screen. That is hacker mode. We need hacker mode for this. This is a good one. Base 16 dash green screen. If vim.opt.hl search get then... I guess we don't need expression true. I guess we do want this. Else and return. Vim.op or vim.command no HL. Neovim.command. Oh, it is working. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, equals 1, first off. What did I have before? Okay, no more queued. That's good. Yep. Install everything. Okay, so we're back. I took it down, yep. We can restart now, though. I think should be good. Should be back now, though. We just had to get back and make sure that we could get some of these things installed, like Neovim Tree Center. Now I can actually read this help stuff, things like this. I redeemed Marimba. Oh, I'll go play Marimba. Okay. Oh, maybe that's the one that didn't show. Okay. Vincer, you're being honest with me, right? You're not troll. I'm gonna trust you. Yeah, we'll play right now. I redeemed switch a seat. Okay, I'll switch seat too. Yeah, it's probably because I messed something else up. You take his word for it? Yep. Not everyone is a really bad troll in chat. Vincer's not a big troll like some of you. I can check the sequel if we need to. Oh, but I'll just play. I'll just trust you guys right now. Okay. All right. Hello? Hello? Okay. Oh, Vincer. Do you want to do Yellow After the Rain or Rain Dance? Those are the only two I've got on lock right now. Which one do you want to do? You got to pick. By Star Wars theme, I'd have to look up the music for it. Number 1. Okay, that's good because that's the one I remember better. Okay. Okay, Chad, here we go. Here we go. You can hear me? Yeah, you can hear me. Okay. Whoops. We do need to learn Darude Sandstorm on marimba. That would be cool. That would be cool, chat. I should try and learn that. That would be a pretty funny one. Yo, I'm Turing Complete. Thanks for the gifties. Appreciate it. That is a good idea. It's a really good idea. Oh, Dax, did you join just in time to see it? Nice. Very cool. You can play Sway on the marimba? No, the only two songs I play on marimba right now are Yell After the Rain and Rain Dance because I have children and I haven't practiced in a long time, even though I would like to. No, I refuse to learn iPhone ringtone out of the just complete lack of real music. This is unexpected, Dax. I didn't see that earlier. Nice. How about Super Mario theme song? That one would be worth it, but I don't know how to play it off the top of my head. I could read the music for it, I'm sure, but I don't have it off the top of my head. Ariel theme, that would be funny too. I can read music, chat, so it's like if I have sheet music, I can play a bunch of these. I don't have them memorized though. It's actually a challenging piece to learn. That makes sense. Vitamin C. Hey, Turing Point, thanks for the gifties though. Okay. Reading music is cool. Yeah, thanks. I think so too. Yeah, I used to be pretty good at concert percussion. Now I can just play a few songs on marimba, but bass 16 green screen. Now. Color scheme. Bass 16 green screen. Beep boop boop boop. Dude, it's actually kind of hype. We're reading music sheet and code. I don't know what you mean. Tree sitter start. I'm using FT plugin or file type command by default disabled, which may be required for some plugins. In this case, Vim BF syntax on after the call to start. Oh, nice. What puppy? You want to go upstairs? Okay, uncle. All right, I'll be right back, chat. Kiddos are starting to wake up, so she doesn't want to hang out with me anymore. Classic. Classic. I don't know. I don't know where Nightshade is. All right. Looks so Fallout Terminal. Yeah, it's nice. Vim, Rx buff, syntax on. Okay. I actually like this better. This part's good. All right, I gotta go soon though. I gotta go mow the lawn for the first time. I don't have fake grass like Dax. I'm gonna go touch. You have to water your lawn. Dax, you know there's some irony in the fact that it's actually probably pretty close. I might use less water on my grass than you do on your turf. My son's 3. Once he's a little older, I'll make him do it. Because I basically never water. Yeah, but Dax has to wash away wherever Zuko pees and poops. I'm going to take the blazer off, chat. He has to wash it. Exactly. Three's fine. What could go wrong? Yeah, exactly. Yum. Okay. Just carbo loading. Lithium. True. True. Args. Local FT. Vim.bo. Args.ba. File type. Local syntax on. I think we had what? We had like Elixir is true. We had PHP, I think is true as well. I think those were both ones where we wanted to do that. So we could go if syntax on ft then end. What are we going to do here? We're going to go vim.bo buff. Let's just say buff number here. Syntax equals on. Let's go buff local buff number args.buff buff number. Place in the US where you can't have a lawn. You get fines if you have lawns. What? I don't know what you mean. There are places where that exists. Yeah. You get a pet goat and let it free. Dude, we were just looking at a house with a little bit more lawn. But big enough to maybe get goats. And it was so tempting. But oh my goodness. I don't even want to think about how much work it would be, chat, to move. I don't even want to think about it. How are you? I'm doing great. Nice. Doing all the things. Yeah, that's tough, Huggins. Yeah. I barely have enough stuff and it's still hard to move. Yeah. Dude, moving with little ones, and it's like, okay, I'm just thinking about straight up just my office. Like, it's taken me so long to get a streaming setup in here that works, like with everything put together and all this other stuff, right? And then it physically pains me thinking about unhooking every cable in this office and rehooking it up again. Like, it doesn't matter how far away. Just getting it out of my house. What kind of person quits his house stuff? Well, the home wouldn't be any bigger, just more lots. Marleno assign a photo Macan. Hey, thank you. Move my desk without unhooking everything. Carried it over. Next door. Nice. I can't get my desk out of my room. It's too big. I'd have to unhook it. It's like an L-shaped standing one to remind me of Twitch chat's takes. So it's got like a long way here and then it goes sideways. So it's a big L. So I'd have to take it apart. But then, chat, I'm just looking right here. You remember that marimba? I'd have to deconstruct my entire marimba. You know? Like, it just hurts to think about. And then there's, kids things. Yeah, it's the biggest L you've ever seen. That's, like I said, Twitch chat's takes. Once you took apart a marimba, it never sounds the same. So true, Dax. So true. Mr. Neovim, is there any downside to my init config being one big file like in Kickstart? No. It's totally cool. Totally cool to do. You have to tune it? No. You don't have to tune it. It would be fine. It actually would sound probably exactly the same unless I forget how to put it back together. That would be the main problem. Twitch chat, lovely takes confirmed. Confirm HOA with Thorn Prime. Now that would be worth moving for. Can you imagine the shenanigans? The constant fear of going outside and getting ligmud. The constant fear. All right, I'm gonna stop. Awards right now. Cause I gotta go pretty soon, so I can go do the lawn. The ligma causing the HOA manual would be epic. Exactly. Constant fear of going outside sounds like chat. Well, I wouldn't be afraid of the outdoors. I'd just be afraid of Prime outside. Plus, it's like every time I go outside, it's like, there's Prime peeing again. Great. Awesome. He pees outside. That's not a joke. Like, it's not a joke. He pees outside a lot. Places before you go. Muse, Score, Super Mario. Oh, that would be a little bit tough to sight read. I don't remember E. Marimba version. Dang, they're expecting just... This is for 2 players or 1? This would be really hard to play by yourself. That'd be really hard. I'd have to practice that one a little bit. Blazer stream, exactly. Uses less water to be outside. That's true. Are we still talking about Prime? Yeah. He flashes the FedEx dude constantly. I actually can't believe he hasn't gotten in trouble. What about the terminal shop? When will it be up? I don't know. Ask Dax. But I can't. It's some base 16 one. It's from Rethi base 16 Envim. Rethi base 16 Envim. And then it's colors no work. Yeah, I know. I still don't know why. We should try it without the PTY renderer decks. I think it's because that one doesn't have any colors set up. So I think that might actually be what's making it wrong. I mean, you can poo right downtown San Francisco. True, I've seen it. I've seen it. In the like very few days I've been in San Francisco, I've seen a lot of crazy things, man. So many that my wife said she never needs to come back with me. When we were working for a startup before SourceGraph, which was based out of SF, we'd go there occasionally together. I mean, we didn't have kids yet or anything, right? So they'd be like, oh yeah, you can just take your wife. She'll hang out at whatever, blah, 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 right? And she just was like, I don't want to go anymore. So, yeah. It's not the place for me, which is okay. It's a place for other people, I guess, but not the place for me. Win-win. Well, I didn't, yeah, I think maybe I then went once, maybe after without her. I don't remember. I wouldn't want to hang out with my coworkers. I just want to hang with my wife. Yeah. Well, we all hung out together with him. Small startup. Do you have themes that hurt your eyes and make you look cool? I don't know. Previous startup did that too. Even a week was so much time spent there. Yeah. Small startup. Yeah. Very small. Like 10 engineers, Lithium. So we would just hang out at the house that the startup was out of. You know what I mean? So we were just all hanging out together. It was fun. Learned a lot working there. It was a lot of fun. Terminal.shop. Yeah, we're close, chat. We're close. We're very close. We're very, very close. Very, very close. Like that one day, get a little burnt out. Yeah. Lithium, maybe us together, you know? We'll have to see. Have a lolcat rainbow type theme for the terminal? I don't have one, no. All right, I better go shortly, chat. We can do like 5 more minutes of hanging out, and then I gotta go. Who are the other engineers besides you, Prime, and Dax? Dax, did you hear that? Dax, are you still here? There's literally only one other guy who's there the whole time. It's Adam. Poor Adam, dude. Poor Adam. Oh, absolutely roasted accidentally by chat. So good, dude. I forgot Adam. Exactly. Yep. Yeah, we'll just take another screenshot there. I forgot Adam. It's his own fault. True. Adam! Adam, where's my coffee? Was it not Adam's house? No, it was Dax's house. Adam lives in the Ozarks. He should stream more. I tried convincing him. Oh, by 3 weeks? Yes, Jabwalk. Yeah. We'll definitely be ready by 3 weeks, or we're in big trouble. If we're not ready in 3 weeks, it's never happening. You got forgotten the Twitter meme? I got tagged, but not put in, which is funny. Did you get over being called mean by Prime? He admitted shortly afterwards that I wasn't mean sometimes. Something most real. So many people real in this chat. Jonas. Yeah, good question, Jonas. Dex has a sweet doggo. True. I missed my doggy though. It's been nice being home with my doggo, you know? The rest of my family, it's nice to see too. Dax Prime, TJ has a doggo. Does Adam have a dog? No, of course not. Too started was a lie. Well, we started it. My dog almost killed a React engineer. True. We would have had to give the dog a medal. A lot. Last me until I can come in shimmer range. Nice. We did what we built in the 2 days. We did use to actually sell coffee, but we're just sort of making sure that we can handle some volume, basically. Reckless engineer does not compute. Doggo could sniff the JavaScript on him. True. Doggo was just protecting Ken Wheeler. He knew. He knew to protect Ken Wheeler. Nice theme. Thanks. I kind of like it as well. Are you going to open source the shop? We're going to try, yeah. We just need to make sure that we're not leaking anything. Ideally, chat, like you'll be able to do this. Dude, the live svelte thing is so cool. Go run like this kind of situation. Or how do you can just do it directly from a link like this, right? Go run like this. At latest, like this kind of situation. And you can just run, you can run the shop without even SSHing. But we just have to make sure everything's like fine for this. Yeah, the main reason to open source it is because we expect Prime to accidentally leak everything anyways. You know what I'm saying? So it's sort of like we just have to get out ahead of that and make sure there's nothing to leak. You know? So if we do that, then we're safe. Right. The leakage in, exactly. Preemptively open source. How to post products. What do you mean? What? It was a plan all along. Exactly. Leaking the private RSA key. Exactly. Those would be that part we will make sure Prime doesn't have on his computer, basically. That's like the only solution for that one. All right. I'm going to give a raid to somebody and we got to go.
Every day there, I walked all the time and my back was in the best shape it had ever been. And like,
we haven't raided Adam when it's live in a while. Raid Microsoft? Could be. We gotta first see who's got Neovim tags. Nick's Vim. Twitch event sub. Rust. Oh, nice. Does anyone watch Nick's? Here. All right, I gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow. If I don't have a lot of stuff to do for Terminal Shop in the morning, then we'll be live earlier and stream longer. Maybe back tonight. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. I've got a lot of things I'm trying to juggle this week. It turns out not streaming for a week and not getting anything else done put me behind, but that's okay. We're sorting it out, chat. We're sorting it out. All right. Stream the lawn mowing. If I wouldn't dox myself, from streaming the lawn mowing, I would. But you'll know my address. It doesn't seem like a good plan. What dactyl version is that keyboard? It's a 5x7. It's like a little bit modified. Lawnmower POV stream. That'd be pretty funny. I texted him my address instead of via Discord DM. Smart. What's your time zone? I live in Michigan. It's fine. I've already said it a lot of times. Okay. I gotta go. See you, everybody. Bye. We'll be back tomorrow. See you. See everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for all the gifted subs and everything. Glad we made Michigan has grass. I'm gonna go touch it. I'm gonna go touch the grass. Bye YouTube. Thanks for hanging out.